Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I have a new exciting video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this beautiful sunset smoky eye, perfect for the summertime. It has a lot of orange tones, so it's really going to look good on tan skin, and I'm just in love with how this turned out. And a huge shout out to Mac for partnering up with me on this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this beautiful sunset smoky eye, perfect for the warmer seasons to come. I'm going to be showing you guys some of their new launches, including their new Revamped shadows and their new Dazzle shadows and their new brow gels. These are the Big Boost Fibre brow gels. You guys, this is the only thing I'm wearing on my eyebrows, and it makes my brows so fluffy, feathery, and beautiful. I'm in love with these products, and most importantly, I'm in love with this burgundy red eyeshadow. You guys need this eyeshadow. It is stunning, and it just blended so beautifully. I barely had to try blending. It was just the most easiest eye look that I've created. I'm just in love with how this turned out. I think it just looks so perfect for the summertime. And yeah, I hope you guys recreate this look. If you do, don't forget to tag me and follow me on Instagram. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial. What I like to do is take a clean spoolie and just brush through the brows, because I do have foundation on, so I just want to make sure there's no product on my brows. And then I just go straight in and apply the brow gel very lightly. I like to make sure to kind of clean off a little bit of product. And this brow gel has little fibers in it, so it's going to give you that 3D brow effect if you guys have flat brows. Brows are pretty full, but I just have trouble getting it fluffy and feathery, and this brow gel gives me that look. And I love that it stays in place up until I remove my makeup. Like, the brows aren't going anywhere. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't rub off onto my foundation. It literally just stays put. And then I like to clean it up with a little bit of concealer. Brows are done. I know the color is a little dark. If you guys want a shade lighter, I would recommend Spiked. No. Yeah, Spiked. So Spiked is a shade lighter, and then Stud is the color I'm wearing. I usually go for a lighter color, but I really like the way this one looks on me. So starting off with my absolute favorite primer, MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And then we're going into the shadow Coral. Now this is a new Revamped shadow. It's a really pretty peachy shade, and I'm just using a fluffy brush to apply that in the crease. It's gonna act as our little transition shade. And I'm just applying that all over the crease. So next I'm going in with Rule, MAC's Orange Eyeshadow, a bestseller, and I'm just applying this in the crease. An orange eyeshadow is a must-have for this sunset look. It's what creates that beautiful gradient effect on the eyes. And then I'm going in with Hot Sauce. Now this is the shadow that I keep talking about throughout this video. It is the perfect deep red burgundy shadow. It's so beautiful, so pigmented, and it blends out so easily. Again, it's a new Revamped shadow, so I love this shadow. And then to kind of deepen the crease and give it a little bit more of that sunset effect, and to add a little bit of drama, I'm using the shade Shady Santa, which is a deeper burgundy with some little bit of purple undertones. And I'm just applying that and then blending out the crease, and that pretty much finishes this sunset smoky eye. And then I'm moving on to my favorite MAC Felt Tip Brush Stroke Liner. This eyeliner is matte, and as you guys can see, it's so easy to create that wing liner effect. And then I'm just using MAC's Carbon Black Matte Eyeshadow to kind of diffuse the liner a little bit. You guys know I love my smoky liner moments. So I just went ahead and applied lashes. I've been loving doing mascara after lashes lately. This mascara gets right into the lash line. It just really coats each and every lash without clumping. We love that.
I begin to
Hi my loves, so this is the completed look. Eyes are done, hair is done, skin, lips, everything is done. I am in love with how this look turned out. I've been wanting to create this look for you guys for a very long time, but it was actually super hard finding a really good burgundy red undertone shadow. So I'm really happy that MAC created this shade. It's so beautiful. Please let me know what you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button. I am so excited to be creating some new looks with these new shadows. They are literally a game changer. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy during this quarantine. God bless you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.